The self-adhesive wire organizer line cable clip comes in a pack of 20. It is very easy to install, peel and stick. With 3M adhesive, it can be fixed on any clean and smooth surfaces with its adhesive layer special for power cords, charging cables, USB cords, cell phone chargers, audio cables, wired headphones, etc. It's the time to keep your desktops clean and organized.
Limited stock available. We offer pay on delivery service. To place an order, kindly WhatsApp us on the numbers on the screen. You can also visit our website to place your order.